Hi, my name is Kapil Regmi, and today I'm gonna do a short project making rain in the kitchen. For this project, we need a cup of hot water, and I already placed it on the glass container. I'm gonna cover it with a plate which has ice cubes on the top of it. As soon as the water gets heated, the water vapor rises on top, and we can see it on the walls of the glass. The foggy look on the walls of the glass is the water vapor. The ice cubes that are on the top of the plate, it helps to condense the water vapor. We can see the droplets of water rolling down on the side walls of the glass. So the phenomenon on this process is when the water is heated to the boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, the water turns into the water vapor. When the gas escapes the liquid, it rises and begins to accumulate the vapor pressure above the surface of the liquid. We can see right there the droplets of the water falling down. At this point, the water and the water vapor are in the equilibrium. When the pressure becomes great enough, the vapor gas turns back into the liquid. And this phase is known as condensation. When the vapor hits the bottom of the plate that has the ice on top of it, the water molecules combine with one another. And this is going to be at a quicker rate since we have the condensation, which is because of the ice. And then they became heavier enough since the water molecules are combining. So when they become heavy enough, they fall as a water droplet. We can compare this phenomenon to the rainfall. On the earth, the sun heats up the water, forming the water vapor, which raises and expands at the atmosphere. With the weather fronts, after the water vapor approaches cooler temperature, the water molecules combine with one another, increasing its mass, and then eventually it falls due to gravity. So we can see the droplets of water on the bottom of the plate. So this is how we can make a rain in the kitchen.